Hi guys, Christine Carworld here for another video. Just gonna let you know, now I'll be probably doing Monster Truck Throwdown events. Now they won't be just normal events, they'll be stop motion. I promise. So here are the trucks from the first event. I got Bigfoot, Scarlet Bandit, Avenger, Jester, Ice Cream Man, and Crustacean. In the track, I laid it out like Monster Truck Showdown. What seems like to be a good show. Comment down below which truck you want. And I'll try my best to respond back if I'm not busy. With that part, it's Christine Carwell signing out. Bye. And stay tuned for the show. And don't forget to check out my other channel, Oreos, Demo Derby, and Monster Truck Show. Because on 4th of July, I'll be uploading Demo Derby vids. If you are interested in those kind of stuff, go check out that channel. Bye.